everyone, this is our new card system EMS chair. This chair have you recording the times of the treatment, how many times was the chair used. Without the card insert, the machine will not respond to you, but with the card insert here, it will work now. You can see we're in here. We can choose male mode or female mode. Back here, the machine is now responding. Now click female mode. Every treatment has 30 minutes, and you can see the number here is how many times left here. Every click to start will count 1. And if you stop at the treatment, see, we stop here and you click start again, it will not count. It will not count until the 30 minutes are full used. Every chair comes with 10 cards. And the times of the card we can customize.